Hey everybody, I just want to kind of start off by giving everyone an update as to what's going on with the car, where I'm at. I'm braking on the clutch. I'm currently only 100 miles in because I can only drive this thing when it's weather permitting. It doesn't have heat, so with it being pretty cold out right now, that kind of sucks to drive. So I've been avoiding that. It doesn't have windshield wipers, so anytime it's going to snow or rain, it stays in the garage. I'd also like to thank everybody for subscribing so far. It's kind of amazing that I've received such a big support for this channel. First thing we got today is this heat shield from Circuit Sports. Seems like really nice quality, but if we don't install those, we run the risk of melting the reservoir on the brake master and catching the car on fire. So that's one of the reasons why the track requires one. So we're gonna go ahead and put one on here so we can pass tech. And there we go. And as you can see, this fitment is really nice. I'm really glad I went with the Circuit Sports. So the next thing we're going to address is, I'm not sure if you remember my last video where I said I was having some power steering issues. Well, I found those issues. So let me climb underneath the car, and man, it's still wet, it's still kind of dripping. So there's a crack in this line right here. So all the fluid is just leaking out. These adapters to convert the hard lines into these AN lines. This is a kit from ISR. PVC coated, they're stainless steel lines. So those should do the trick. All right. We're just gonna put all these on. I should probably wait for this one until I can get that line on, but I'm gonna do it this way anyways. It looks like she was looking. Oh. That's good to know. That actually isn't power steering fluid leaking right from there. So now I have a coolant leak to figure out. And we'll start with the first line. And there you have it. Put some fluid in it, make sure it doesn't leak. So that coolant leak we found underneath the car, come to find out, it was from this upper radiator hose. And so I cleaned it up, changed out the clamp, had one of these shitty wire clamp deal thingies on there. Yeah, we're gonna take that Yep. Well, I was bleeding the power steering, and at least that leak is fixed, but it's not going to have power steering just yet. Ended up finding another leak at the high pressure line right there. Not sure if the camera can see it, but yep. Time to order one of those. Well, I also think that the power steering pump is shot, so I don't know, I'm gonna fix that line first and see if maybe it's just some air getting in the lines from that's making the noise. If not, then I may have to order one of those too. It is what it is. But I just want to thank everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe.